A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to English class. Class 4th, Subject English, Practice Book, Unit 4, Prepositions. So worksheet 5 at page 32. Students, here we go. This is Shruti and Shruti is on a holiday in Nepal. So this is Shruti and she is on a holiday in Nepal, and what she wants to do? She wants to write a postcard. She decided to send a postcard to her mummy and papa. She has written the postcard, but she has left certain blanks. Help her fill these blanks so that she can send the postcard as early as possible. So okay, let's go ahead. This is the postcard written or designed by Shruti. So let's help her fill these blanks with the prepositions. So dear parents, I'm enjoying a holiday in Nepal. I'm staying in Hotel Royal since the hotel is close to the Darbar Square. My room is on the fourth floor. The view of the city is very clear from here. I stayed at my friend's place for the first day as no room was vacant in the hotel. The food is good. I'll be staying here for a week and regards Shruti. So explanation, I am enjoying a holiday in Nepal. So Nepal is a big place. We are using preposition in. I am staying in Royal Hotel. Royal since, so where she is staying? She is staying in a hotel. So we use preposition in. The hotel is close to. So it is nearby some place. So we use to. The Darbar Square. My room is on. So where is her room? Now it is fourth floor. So we will use on fourth floor. The view of the city. So with view you will use preposition of. View of the city. It is view of the city. Is very clear and it is place from that place. So you will use preposition from. Here I stayed at my friend's. Now I have told you with small places we use preposition at. So she stayed at her friend's house. So at home, at school, at friend's house means with small places we use preposition at. For the first day, as no room was vacant in the hotel. The food, now she is writing, the food is good. I will be staying here for. So for how long she will stay? Time duration for a week. And whenever we end up a postcard, email writing or any message, we write in the end regards. So who is writing this? Sender is Shruti, and on postcard we write address to whom you are to send this. So we are writing address BPO Dehra, village post office Dehra, Tehsil Dehra, district Kangra, HP. If you want to write pin code, you can write here pin code as well. Now your eyes will catch this word philately, and this is nice word. We all should know the meaning of what is philately. Philately is a hobby regarding stamp collecting. These are the stamps. You can see we even sometimes collect stamps as a hobby. So philately is the related to hobby of collecting stamps. So let's go ahead. At page 33, worksheet 6. Discuss with your partner how the people mentioned below would have traveled. Then choose one phrase from the aid box to fill in the blanks. When the President of India went to the neighboring country, he traveled by air. So whenever anyone goes or travels across the seas, sea means he or she will cross the sea, then definitely they will go by air. By air means by aeroplane. The Stone Age man, when there were no vehicles, no cars, no buses, no scooters, no motorbikes, would have moved from one place to another place on foot. So Vasco da Gama went on a sea voyage. Sea voyage means traveling by sea. On a ship means definitely on a ship, not in the ship, it is on a ship, on the surface of the ship. What? Neil Armstrong went into the space. Now it is open one and it is closed one. So inside something it is called in. in a spacecraft. So this is, and next one is the postman goes by bicycle to deliver the letters. So whenever we use any source or media for traveling like bus, car, cycle, then we use preposition by. Then here media of traveling is bicycle, then in next bus, then next car, so you will use by. Let's see the examples. Most people who travel Delhi to Haridwar, they travel by bus. All the celebrities went to the inaugural function. Venue is the place. Why? Car. You must have seen them. They go by car. If in one city you are to visit, you are not going abroad or foreign country, then definitely you can visit by car. So my elder brother went to his college on a motorbike. When we are sitting on some vehicle, like this motorbike or a bike you can say, so on you will use. And from where we filled these all, this was the help box, aid box. It is given in your book, so you can check this. From here we were using. This is aeroplane, by air and by car. I hope you will remember these prepositions. Then come to page 34. Do it yourself. This is most interesting part. Here what we will do, when error is given in each sentence, we are to correct the error according to the sense and we are to use right preposition. It was late of the night. Late of the night. So it is, we use late in the night, not of the night. So error is of. You will write error here and in front you will write correction. Like this you will mention error, correction, make two parts, write error this side and write correction other side, like this. These are errors, these are corrections, and underline to make it to understand it better. Underline the errors first of all. So Anita was looking out. Now look out of. Preposition is look out of, not look at. So okay, because out is also there, so look out of. Here we will use error is at and correction is of. She saw a stranger at the street. So we use preposition in the street, not at the street. Okay, so he was looking to a new car. So he was not looking to a new car, means he was not going to steal it. So exact pronunciation, exact preposition is look at, look at. So he was looking at the new car. Look at the picture, look at something, or here he is looking at a car. So okay, then your error is to and correction is at. He tried, now tried to force open, tried to force open, and error is given at. He tried at force open, so this is wrong. Error is at and correction is to. Windows in the car, but he did not succeed. So he tried to force open the front windows. Now front window not in of the car. Exactly, windows are not in the car. Window is outside and he is trying to, what he is trying to do? He is trying to open. So in is error and off is correction. Anita called. Now preposition is call for. When we call for somebody, we use preposition call for. So Anita called out in him. So now called out in him, so making no sense. Anita called out for him, means she was calling him, but he did not look up. So in is error and for is correction. I hope you understood. Then complete the dialogue by filling the suitable words. This is now interesting part, more interesting part. Exactly, this is dialogue practice, and these days we are practicing already dialogues, and this is dialogue between Pinky and Mr. Agarwal. So let's see what they are talking. So hello, may I, now how we start a dialogue. Hello, may I speak to Garima please? Mr. Agarwal, she isn't at home. She has gone to the doctor. May I know who is calling? Means this way you can use may I know who is calling. This is nice sentence. Then Pinky. I'm Pinky. I'm calling from Janakpuri. I want to know if she would be going to the picnic tomorrow. So okay, means she is telling her message. Then Mr. Agarwal. No, Pinky, she cannot go tomorrow. Now he knows the name that her name is Pinky, so he is calling. Agarwal is calling to Pinky that no Pinky, she cannot go tomorrow. She is suffering from high fever. In fact, she has gone to the doctor for her checkup. Then next, okay. This is all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.